Alright, so the sneaker pickup for today is oh, I'm loving it. 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 No matter where we go, they like that we ain't even know you can flow. I go out when I spit up off the dome. Cross them over with the left, right, send them on home. Ankles going inside out like ow ow. We ain't even know that he could do it. We ain't even know that he could flow like that and go get to it. I'm the greatest and you know it though. I'm the greatest and you know it though. I'm the greatest and you know it though. I ain't even know that he had them grinds. I didn't even know that a nigga could grind. He did that shit like every single time. Punch a little nigga like left, right, right. Yeah. Honestly, it don't matter what they gotta say to me, cause I'm a fucking beast. And every fucking citizen way about to kill this shit and about to get defeat. And Takanashi never take defeat. They understand I never take defeat. And everybody wanna play with me. I don't matter, it don't matter what they say about me, cause I'm on the grind now. I don't wait my time now. I don't I gotta let you go. Yeah, I'm in my zone, gotta let you go. Yeah, gotta let you go. When I'm in my zone, gotta let you go. Cause I don't know what you gonna do. Who is you? We gotta move. I don't play. I'm in the game. I'm in the game. I'm on the grind. Better wait your time. Better wait your moment. Better wait your minute. Better save your cash instead of spending. Let's get rich. Yeah. They be like, dang, where you going? Where you flowing, my nigga? Cause we ain't seen you in a minute. You is the greatest nigga that we have ever seen. Goddamn, your flow is forever me. They don't even understand now that a nigga got the plan now. When you see a nigga walk up in the building, he be pulling rubber bands out. The mic on, it is on. Alright, bet. I thought, hey, for a little second there, I didn't know if my sheet got that sheet real quick. You feel me? Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now today's video is going to be another sneaker pickup. Listen, another video, another sneaker pickup, bro. And for today's sneaker pickup, you know what? Before we even get into that, the socials. We have to get into the socials. The Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Check out that second Instagram, because if you guys want like the personals of what's going on in my life also, as well as that vlog channel, hey, that is what you do, and you get a quick follow back over there too. But without further ado, you ready for it, bro? Because we got some heat today, bro. We got some heat today. So without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's, and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popping. Woo! Yeah! Woo! I'm ready for this, bro. We got some heat today. We got some heat today, you feel me? Some straight up heat. Let's get into it. Yeah! We got some heat. Whew! Heat. See this? Heat. Heat. Now look, bro. As you guys can obviously see, it is a Champs bag, and looking through the Champs bag, it has a Nike box in it, right? We understand it, yes, yes. Now, we can't even do no 1, 2, 3s. You already know what it is. Smash that bad boy to the side right here, boom. Now check this out. Check out that beautiful Nike box. Now what sneaker do you think is in here, you feel me? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, right? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna pause. You go into the comment section down below and you let me know what sneaker you think this is. And if you guess the sneaker right, I'll give you a shout out in the video or in the next video. But I know for a fact that none of you guys are gonna guess it right. So without further ado, go ahead. I gotta stop doing that shit, bro. I just have to. Alright, so the sneaker pickup for today is The Air Max Up Tempo 95, the 1995 OG colorway. But this is the re-retro. In like 2019, something like that, you feel me? Oh, yes, bro. Y'all don't know about these, man. Y'all don't know about these bad boys right here. You guys, a lot of you guys don't know anything about the up-tempos, bro. Honestly, if you know anything about the up-tempos, let me know in the comment section down below, man. These things right here, bro, are just gorgeous. These things just look beautiful. Just absolutely magnificent, bro. Honestly, when it comes to this shoe, I've always wanted this sneaker. A lot of people always look at my shoe taste and they're like, yo, Chris, what's up with this, bro? Like, you really love these old school basketball shoes like the Barkleys and the you know, like the Pippins and the up-tempos. Like, yo, where does this come from? I don't know, man. I just think basketball shoes are cool. I just think basketball shoes are super comfortable, and these right here are just super fire. They're super bulky and like weird and kind of ugly, but at the same time they look all retro and just freaking flames, bruh. So I can't wait to throw these bad boys in the collection. I love these. I do actually love the actual color. That whole red, white, and black colorway is fire. And also how, you know, it just has that big, bulky look. But I hate this. I can't stand this. I hate this. I don't like this at all. This should not be here. This should not be on the shoe. Now, when it comes to sneakers, bro, I love most sneakers, but I think that white bottoms on shoes are trash. I think that white bottoms on sneakers are garbage, and they should not be on shoes. Shoes should not have white bottoms. Why? And why do you ask me this? It's because they get dirty so fast. Or at least if you're going to put a white bottom on a sneaker, let us have like some type of protective covering we could put on that bad boy, you feel me? But maybe that's just me being a little bit extra, you know. I do like to keep my shoes clean. But when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, I had to give it to the Air Max Up Tempo from the 1995 edition. Now, there is a super dope black, white, and blue colorway too. You might be able to check that bad boy out on Foot Locker if you want to. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Now, as you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon. More bangers coming soon. Thank y'all for watching as always, man. It's your man, Chris Briggs, bro. You feel me? Listen, I've been thinking of a new clan name, you feel me? I love the Nashi clan. I think that the Nashi clan is awesome. But maybe we should move on to bigger and better things. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about a new clan name. I just feel like we should move on to bigger and better things, you feel me? Like, we should leave the old thing in the past. It was fun while it lasted. We should improve. We should level up. So let me know how you guys feel about that in the comment section down below. But without further ado, more videos coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. Oh yeah, if you want a review and on foot on that, don't worry, I got that for you. And Chris Briggs, signing out.